Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant Channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to make YouTube channel banner without Photoshop. No matter you have YouTube gaming channel, tech channel or a cooking channel, with this method you can create your professional YouTube channel banner. For this one, you have to open any browser and then you have to open google.com. After opening google.com, here you have to write poster my wall and then you have to click on search. Here you will see first site, you have to click on it. The interface of the site will be something like this. Then you have to click on create a design. Now here in the search bar you have to type YouTube channel banner. And here you will see all of YouTube channel templates. From these templates you can select any template that is relevant to your YouTube channel. For example, if you have gaming YouTube channel, then you can use this template also. Or if you want to use any other template, you can go through these templates. You can use this template also. And we'll go further and we'll use this one. To use this template you have to click on customize template and then YouTube channel banner editor will open. First of all, you have to edit the name and you have to enter your YouTube channel name. At the right side you will see all the tools. You can resize the text and you can change the text font also, and other bunch of options you will find at the right side. You can make changes as per your requirements. Now we'll adjust our channel name. We'll move towards left side. And at the bottom you have to write down your channel short description. After doing all this, now you have to add some PNG logos related to your YouTube channel. On any free PNG site, so we'll type here technology, scroll down and we'll download this one. You have to click on free download and then the PNG file will be downloaded to your laptop or PC. Once you will download the PNG files, now you have to go back and then again you have to click on this channel logo, click on replace and then you have to click on upload, click on upload photos, and now you have to go to the destination folder where you have downloaded the PNG files. So we'll select this one and then you have to open this one. You can crop the PNG from here, click on crop and you can resize the PNG. And you can also move wherever you want. Either you can put at the top or right side. So we'll move towards the right side. You can adjust. So we'll move this text also to the bottom left side and we'll add another PNG file. To add another PNG file, you have to click on photos. Click on add from my photos. You can add another PNG file. You can add as many PNG files as you want. We'll add this one, click on open and then we'll add this PNG file to the left side. Now we'll add another one. So once you will finalize your YouTube channel art, then you have to click on download. Here you will see two options. You have to click on the first one, basic image. You have to click on it and then you have to click on download. Click on save design for later and then your YouTube channel art will be saved to your laptop or PC. Now we'll open this one. And here you can see our YouTube channel art is now ready. The great part of this site is there is no any watermark. So in the same way, you can also create your own professional YouTube channel banner without Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.